welcome to session. Today we will discuss banking. So have you heard about recurring deposit account, or it is also called cumulative time deposit scheme? So when we say recurring deposit accounts, that means it occurs again and again, recurring. Deposit means our investment, whatever we are investing, it is called deposit. So it is recurring deposit account. So at a frequent interval, you keep investing the same amount again and again. So if you see the screen, suppose we assume we have, like, we are investing, suppose an investor is investing rupees P per month. For how many months? N months. So every month, at the beginning of the month, he has to invest P rupees. Then second month, another P. Third month, another P. So if you see this table, the first column is the number of months. So first month he will invest P. Second month he will invest P. Third month he will keep on investing like that. For how many months? N months. So here, focus on the terminology. So what is N? Number of months. So that is called maturity period. So here we are dealing with maturity period in months. So the time till he invests, he has committed that he will invest P each month till N months. So after N months, he will get all his money returned. So this N months period is called maturity period. Okay, and this monthly investment that he is making P, this is called recurring monthly investment. Okay, now if you look at the table, see, first column is the number of months, first month, second month, third month, likewise till N months he intends to invest. Second column is the principal. So each month he is investing P, till N months he will invest P. Then third is investment period. Okay, so consider this. For the last month he has invested P rupees. This will earn interest for 1 month, because at the end of the month maturity value he will claim, or maturity period is over. So this P which he invested in the last month, it will earn interest for a period of 1 month. The previous month P, it will earn interest for 2 months. Before month, it will earn investment for 3 months. So likewise, if you go, the first month, whatever he has invested like P, it will earn interest for N months. Clear? Right? Now, what is meant by cumulative? Cumulative means adding on previous. So see, if P is the principal, so at the end of second month, cumulative principal is P plus P, 2P. So at the end of third month, cumulative principal is P, so 3P. Like that, when you add to the previous balance, it is called cumulative. Likewise, investment period also, like when you add all of them, it is called cumulative. So you are building on the previous balance, adding something to the previous, that is called cumulative. Okay, now rate of interest. See, wherever we are investing, that money is called principal. That principal at the end of your investment period will earn some interest. So whoever is taking principal from you, a bank or any other organization, they will pay you principal. So this interest rate, like whatever extra money they give, that is called interest rate. So interest rate, it could be per month or per year. So if they say interest rate per month, that means at the end of month, that is the interest rate they will give you. If they say interest rate per annum, that means at the end of the year they will pay that interest rate. So here we are taking interest rate as R per annum, that is important, and R is percent, like 5%, 6%, 10%. So that is mentioned in percentage, and also like per annum or per month has to be specified. So usually we specify per annum. Now the maturity is the total period for which investment is made. See, simple interest means whatever principal is there, we are calculating interest on it, but we are not adding principal, like interest to the previous principal. So interest on interest is called compound interest, but here we are only going for simple interest. So whatever interest, if it is added to the principal, that will not earn further interest. So that is called simple interest. Okay, what is maturity value? Maturity value means at the end of investment period, whatever principal that has accumulated and whatever total interest that has accumulated, if you join these two and whatever benefit the investor is getting, that is called maturity value. Okay, so this, be clear with these terms. Now look at this table. I have already explained to you, like number of month is the first column is number of month, second column is the investment made each month, and third column is the number of months that the principal is earning interest. So suppose I add all the investments, so P and P for n months. So what is the cumulative principal? N into P. So this would be my cumulative principal through the whole investment period. Okay, now if I add the investment period months, so you see, now I am writing this here. So 1 plus 2, I am coming bottom up. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on, n minus 1 plus n minus 2, sorry, n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n. So I am adding bottom up, like I am mentioning this here. So if you see here, we need to find out the sum of this n terms. When we study arithmetic progression, we will see how it is done, but for now you remember this formula. If there are n terms and first term, last term, so sum up to n terms is given by n by 2 into first term plus last term. For now, take it as a formula. We will study in detail when we do arithmetic progression in future. So in this case, first term is 1 and last term is n. So the sum of all these values in the third column, right from top to bottom, is given as n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so that is what I have written here. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the interest rate that is being discussed here? R%. So, what is the interest rate? R%. So, is it per month or per year? It is per year, per annum. So now, suppose I want to calculate interest earned on monthly investment, that is P, for each month. So for 1 month, an amount of P, how much interest it is earning? How do I get? So first I need rate of interest, but this is per annum. So what I will do? R, because there are 12 months in an year, so I will take R by 12. So this becomes the rate of interest per month. Agreed? Now I want to take out this percentage. Because it is percentage, I want to remove that. So if I take this as 1 by 100, or for clarity sake, so can I take it as 100? Then I can remove that percent. So this is the interest rate per month, right? R. Okay. Now this is the rate. We are saying rate. So per rupee, this is the rate. So for whole month, P. So P is the investment made in each month. So for 1 month, what is the interest earned on P? So this is the interest for each month. Agreed? So R is the percent per annum. Because you want per month, R by 12. This is per month. And to remove this percent, we are taking by 100 and P. So if I simplify this, it can be written as R by 12 into 1 by 100 into P. So this is the interest earned per month. For 1 month. This is the interest earned for 1 month. Suppose I want interest earned at the end of the investment period. So what do I do? So total, what is the cumulative months that we have got? N into n plus 1. So multiply that. So R by 12 into 1 by 100 into P. This is the interest earned per month. And cumulative period of months is we got the sum of all this. So how we are getting n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the simple interest for the whole investment period. Agreed? Now do you understand how we got this simple interest formula? So instead of just mugging up the formula, you should know the logic behind it. I hope it is clear now. Now maturity value, I told you entire principal plus entire interest is called maturity value. So if this investor wants his maturity value, so what is the entire principal amount that we are getting? NP. It is the total investment he made in n months, NP. Plus what is the total interest he got? This one. Sorry. Into P into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the total maturity value. It is given here. So this is the maturity value. So instead of mugging up blindly, I wanted to explain this like what is happening behind the scenes. Thank you.